So what you need is something to cut with, either scissors or a knife, a kitchen sponge, and a tape. So this is clothing tape or some isolation tape. Apply additional isolation behind the rubber here, all the way here, where there is no factory isolation. What you want to do is to first remember to remove the hard part on the sponge, just not to scratch the paint, but maybe do it a bit nicely than I did. Then you want to cut the sponge in small pieces. So gently try to open up the rubber. I used a card, like a expired or some voucher card. So you put it in here, twist it, and then take it. You can already see I have applied. And from here, from this point on, you can see factory isolation, which should stay in. I use the card, you just press it in and leave it so, and then that's it. And now let me show what actually improved the isolation, the soundproofing of the car even better. At the high speeds, the pressure from outside the car gets lower, and this tiny window tends to get sucked out and making a tiny gap between the body, between the frame and the window itself. So second part, what you want to do, take the clothing tape or isolation tape, however you prefer. Apply several stripes like that here in this part of the small window, but from the inner side of the window. It should cover the part between the window and the frame. So you just want to put it on, just simply press it here inside, press it down, press it down. So that's it, wind noise is gone. I love my car again, and see you next time.